Daisy, aren't you tired of chasing them crazy bugs? I hope those cicadas don't make them sick, because this is all we care about right now. We can't even listen to our mommy and go in the house because we're so busy running cicadas. They say they're like popcorn to dogs, and my dogs are really excited about them. Except for Dot, who's in the house with her daddy under a blanket. Get it, Izzy, get it. Woo! Get him, Daisy. Get him. Alright, I'm going to have to pick the little one up because next thing I know she's going to be puking these damn things. If you all are wondering what they look like, let's have a little look-see. There's one right there. I'll move the branch, maybe he'll... They got him by his wings. Trying to get him in the picture, but I guess I'm too... There he is. Lovely. Here, Izzy. There's one I just threw down. She missed it. Meanwhile, I've been out picking black raspberries, holding them in my hand, and of course they've squeezed all over. These things are absolutely yummy. So I'll have to eat them. Dog hunt, but they stay in your fingers. All right, doggies.